हाई नमस्कार सबैजनालाई। जब जब मेरो चित्त बुझ्दैन म लाइभमा आएर कुरा गर्ने चाहिँ गर्छु र अहिले म लाइभमा आएर एउटा सानो कुरा गर्नु मात्रै चाहन्छु जुन चाहिँ हिजो इन्डियन मिडिया अर्नब गोस्वामीजीले हाम्रो मिनेन्द्र रिजालजीसँग टेलिफोनिक इन्टरभ्यू जुन हामी हेरेको थियौँ त्यसमा मलाई चित्त बुझेन। हुनु त आई एम नट गोइङ टु से मच, तर एउटा चिज मात्रै भन्नु चाहन्छु कि अर्नब गोस्वामीले के भन्नुभयो भने डोन्ट ट्राई टु स्क्वायर अप विथ इन्डिया अन बोर्डर इस्यु भनेर नेपाललाई भन्नुभयो। उहाँले भन्नु खोजेको कुरा मलाई चित्त बुझेन। हामी के त तपाईहरुकोमा लम्पछार भएर यो लैजा भनेर आउनुपर्ने हो त? वी ह्याड टु कम टु यु बेगिङ प्लिज रिटर्न or you take that piece of land. You wanted us to do that, and also you said it that do not discuss. We will not discuss. By the way, Arnab Goswami, you may be the well-decorated media person of India, but don't try to play with the emotions and the sentiments of the Nepali people. We people have nothing, nothing great to show you, but one thing you must know, that our heart is filled with love for our country, and our country has never been occupied by any foreign rulers. I hope you know the history well also, and we have always fought bravely. And not to even mention that the first line soldiers in your army is Gurkha soldiers, right? Don't forget the Kargil war. How many of them have given their life to save your border? And yet you had this audacity to talk with our ex-minister in such an arrogant way. Arrogance is not going to take us anywhere. It's okay, we are neighbors. There's so much similarity between us, but we can always come to an amiable solution. We can find out the solution, discuss. But no, we don't have space for arrogance, attitude. Sorry, no. And you've said you don't want to discuss. Who is going to discuss with you? It's an international border issue. There will be concerned people to discuss on that, not you. We're not going to come with a media person and discuss our border disputes. I think we should know our limits, what we're talking. I did not like that. I have studied India. I have told in my previous also, I have studied in India. And I love Indians. I grew up with Indians. But please, if you love your country, we all love our country too. And just because we are small doesn't mean our heart is also small. No, the love of a nation is equally in everyone's heart, even if maybe the largest country in the world or the smallest country in the world. And please, I would like to reiterate this quote by the Field Marshal Manekshaw, who has said, if anybody says that he's afraid to die, he must be lying, or he must be a Gurkha. I hope you remember that. So I won't want to say much, but let's respect and speak respectfully to each other. We cannot tolerate nonsense. I'm telling you that maybe your place or it could be my place. I'm not talking on that issue. I'm only discussing about your attitude, the way you spoke to our ex-minister. It is not appreciated by any Nepali. Thank you so much.